Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, I've got my guest with me today to help with the Pledge of Allegiance. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we're going to talk about determination. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can have a seat. Show me a good slant. We're going to keep talking about determination. And yesterday we talked about what do you tell yourself when you're working really hard. And I had some people come up to me and tell me things later in the day, like I tell myself, just keep trying, just keep trying, just keep trying, whatever it is. And then you actually accomplish things. Well, you have your PLP conference probably today or tomorrow, and you're going to talk about that. But you're also going to get to talk about what have you already accomplished this year because you were determined. You've already worked hard and learned a lot of things. So this morning we're going to talk about this idea. Let me show you my slide. What do you want to celebrate at your PLP? So when you have your PLP and you get to talk with your parents and your teacher, we're going to set goals, but we're also going to reflect and talk about how did you do so far this school year. And you want to take some time to celebrate things that were really hard, but that you already figured out. So let's have a little chat with your class this morning about this. What do you want to celebrate at your PLP? Maybe something that was really hard that you figured out. Maybe something that you got a lot better at. Have a little chat with your class. Have a great day, Achieve.